Nityanandam Swamiji, and all the fellow participants. So my name is Rupa. I'm from Sunnyvale, which is close to San Jose in California, USA. And I work as a manager in one of the world's biggest, largest companies, which is across 180 countries. So you can guess the name. So I'm here for the Shivoham process for the 7 days. So I just came in, I know that this is the best vacation I can have. So I stopped going to Hawaii, so I just come here for my vacation whenever I want to. I don't want to spend time and give business to Hawaii. I would rather come here and enjoy the real vacation. Yeah, so Third Eye Awakening process was, amazing. Actually, it was like so much fun. And like the process, the whole process that is happening is like, we can't even explain words. It's like speechless. We had a lot of fun in learning to read like kids. Swamiji made us look like kids reading, learning to read. And at the same time, I could see when the process, when he's awakening the third eye, I could see the whole process happening where he is not only cleansing all our incompletion blockages, at the same time infusing the love current in us. Swamiji actually, when the third eye awakening was happening, I could see the Atmalinga rotating around my third eye in one of the process, and now it continues for every process. And the Rudra Homa, during the Rudra Homa, I was just thinking, okay, let me see what I can see through my third eye. I could see Shiva. Again, I'm not imagining. I could see Shiva and all devatas coming and taking the offering when the mantras were happening. Again, I was not listening to mantras, but I could see the devatas. And when Swamiji confirmed, it's like, oh, okay, yeah, third eye is working. It was a great feeling after the Homa. So I saw the vision, and then I just felt like, oh my God, now I understand why Shiva closes the eyes. And that becomes my preferred state. After the Homa, I just wanted to close my eyes, and I saw the Omkara happening inside me with the silence and bliss and the love current of Mahadeva. It's amazing, and we all know, only Swamiji can make us play like kids and make us Shiva at the same time. We don't need to do anything. All that we did is we came, we played, we ate nicely, and then we came here and we are in the hall. Just because we are in the hall, Mahadeva is making us Mahadeva. So this is a great invitation to all the participants, or all the audiences out there. Please come and enjoy, because there's no work from your side. It's just the work from our Mahadeva. Thank you so much, Swamiji.